Hey everyone, Clip Butler here from Digital Lear, and this is a follow-up video to our on-page optimization reports. The problem that we're seeing with some of our customers is just kind of can't figure out what the heck some of this crap means. In particular, it's not the obvious stuff like the H tags or the microdata or the schema. It's things like A tag, Ahref values, and more. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to kind of figure this stuff out on your own without having to bang your head on the wall. It's really obvious, and you're going to look at it and you go, duh, why didn't I think of that? But it's just a way to determine how or what you need to do. So here's the basic summary tab. We're going to go to the overview tab. And what I want you to do is essentially you're going to highlight these three, click hide. Now here's your recommendations, and here's basically what it is. So tune pages for plus ones in Google API. What does that mean? The number of plus ones in Google API. And I want you to hide this. And then we're only concerned with page 1 rankings, so I'm going to hide the rest of these. And we're going to pretend that that's the first result, and our site is, say, the number 7 result. So we're going to hide all of these. And you don't have to do this part, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to hide the rest of those. So now what I have is a spreadsheet I can actually read. Let me go ahead. I'm going to hide these two. Hide. There we go. All right, so at least 196 number of Google plus ones. The page 1 average is 333. The first result only has 2, so I want to go out and get as many good Google plus ones as I can, at least 196 of them, in order to outdo this one. Okay. HTTPS protocols. Google result uses HTTPS. The number 1 site does. The number 7 site does not. So the number 7 site needs to add HTTPS. Number of tune pages for A tag references, at least 37. The result has 341. And then the number 7 site has 3. So I need to go out and get 34 more of those. But what does the A tag mean? I got to put 34 more links on my website? Pretty much. So let's show you the results. Here's the number 1 site. I'm going to copy that. Open it up in the search engines. Paste and go. The site is slow. We're going to view page source. Command F to find, and then I'm going to go A. So 351. If you look at our spreadsheet again, it says that there are 341. And this is an old pool, so he may have done some changes, but again, that's what they're talking about. And you see these classes that H tag is different. Has different uses within a theme, etc. But for the most part, they're all there. So Ahref for the images or for his Twitter, so you can make sure you have your social buttons all on your site. Link source, link to some more internal pages on your site. And let's see what else you got here. Linking to another page. In the same market related, and then linking to all of his internal links down in the bottom of his website. Let's see if we can find those. Yeah, those are all hidden in his code. Sneaky. But they're all there, but they're hidden in his code. Let's see if we can find out where it's at. Copyright. Cities we serve. Let's go down here. Cities we serve. Oh, it's an accordion. Interesting. Pretty cool. But that's how you can do it. You just kind of do what he did. He made an accordion and he added those internal pages, which helps you increase the A tag to the required or the recommended number, which is at least 37. I would do 40 just to do it, see what happens, and then kind of go up some more. Combined H4 through H6 tags on the page. There's 0 and 0. Recommended is having at least one, so you just add one. Add one of the H1 or H4, 5, or 6 tags to your page. Let's see. Image is with at least 7. There's 7 on here. Number of images with the alt text, so 7. So just, like in this case, the number 7 site has 13. The recommended number is at least 7, so he doesn't have to worry about it. Recommended number is 71. Web page matches. Page source matches 506. So this one's a little interesting, and this is, even I had some issues with it. So web page HTML source with a volume of at least 140. And theirs is 506. How did they get that number? Basically, what it means is they took, there's Seattle, because that's one of our terms, is 164 mentions of Seattle. 164. And then SEO is 338. Is 502, which is that number right there. Again, this is old scrape, so maybe he changed a word or whatever, but that's basically how it is. It's not the exact keyword, it's the use of the two words in your keyword search. So if you have 4 strings, you pretty much got to do what I just did, adding up all 4 very instances of the term and make sure that you're close. In this case, the number 7 cell is 61, so they want more instances of both Seattle and SEO on their website. Microdata access, that's easy to figure out. You just need to add microdata to your address, to your website. Now, if you have schema already and you're using JSON, remember JSON, LD, write-up, and microdata are 2 different things. My recommendation here would be to use the Search Console and the website or the highlighter tool to add the microdata that way. I think that'll be a lot easier for you, and you don't have to go around and mess with the look and display of your website, because microdata displays, right? And JSON LD does not. So the highlighter in Search Console is the best way to knock that out and skin those cats. HTTPS links. If you have HTTPS on your site and your links are internal, then you're already taking care of that. In this case, this site needs some. Plus your social media sites and all that stuff can take care of that too, because most of those are running on HTTPS. So in general, that's how you figure it out. Make your page your sheet look just like this. Find your listing in the result if it's there. And then the number 1, compare where you are versus what the recommendations are, and then highlight the stuff that you need to fix. In this case, I'll highlight. Can highlight this one because I need to fix this one. 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 You get it. And then just do it like that, and then go right down a list and knock them out, and you'll be all set, good to go with your on-page stuff. Obviously, you don't have to highlight all this madness like I did, so let's go view. Where is it? Unhide. Unhide. There you go. You only really want to focus on these ones, right? So if you can, just kind of play with that so you can see this, and your number 1, your page 1 recommendations, the page 1 averages, the number 1 result, and then your website if it's there. All right, that's it.